Here I am in the Group Collector community group and I have 3 new members requesting to join the group. I have got the Group Collector Chrome extension installed and I have already logged in. Here is the Group Collector dashboard. First, create a new group, add the group name and the URL, then click on the Create Group button. Then add the Google Sheet, and finally add your favorite email autoresponder. Here is my empty Google Sheet and here is my MailChimp audience list for the demo. Currently no emails are in this list. Now I will approve the first request using the Approve button. The Google Sheet is updated with the member data. In my MailChimp email list, member email is also available. Now I will approve all members by clicking on the Approve All button. The Google Sheet is updated with all the members' data. The MailChimp email list is updated as well. Emails in the autoresponder corresponds with the member's email. Group Collector contains other great features as well. Another great feature is the new members auto approval. You can enable it if you want to, which will automatically approve group members based on different conditions. Now the only thing you need to do is to purchase and start using Group Collector. You can get started using the 7-day free trial. This is the most powerful and the most affordable product available in the market. So are you willing to grow your group? Click the link below to get instant access.